Hello guys, we are back with our next question. In this question, let us solve it. Okay, yes. So GATE CSE 2015 set 3 question number 12 guys. Okay, so this is a question based on postfix. So we have already clearly discussed this topic in our lectures guys. So how to exactly evaluate? So if you recall, it is a postfix, means left to right approach, and we will use a stack, right? Yes. So let us start pushing the values. I think the paper is clear, right? Yes. The first value is a 10. You will push it. After that you got a 5. You will push it. After that we got a plus. So whenever you encounter a operator, you will pop out the two topmost elements, right? So 5 will be on which side? So if you recall, I told you a trick. So a plus b is our normal expression. So if we convert it into postfix, it will become a b plus, and when you push into stack, it will be in this order. So the first operator will be this side and the next operator will be this side. So the sum will be 15 here. Okay, and once you calculated it, these two are popped, so you will push that 15 value here. So after that we will be getting 60, after that 6, after that we got slash. So what did I told? I told the first value will be on this side and the next value will be on this side. So these two are also popped and the result is a 10. So this 10 will be pushed. Okay, so what is the next operator? It is a into. Okay, so 10 will be here and 15 will be here. So I'm just drawing a new stack guys, because that is completely empty, right? Yes, so 150 will be here. So after that, what is the thing which is entering? That is 8. Okay, so after that negation. So negation 8 will be going on that side, right? Yes, and this side 150. So what will be the result? 142. So is 142 in our options? Yes, option C will be our answer. Got it? Yes. So this is the simple evaluation of postfix expression guys. Okay, yes. So I hope you got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.